Got a massive haul of Costco muffins and want to keep them fresh for weeks? Let's revolutionize your muffin storage with a Foodsaver. First things first, gather your supplies, your fresh Costco muffins, your Foodsaver vacuum sealer, and some Foodsaver compatible bags. Make sure your muffins are completely cooled before you begin. Warm muffins will create condensation inside the bag, which can lead to spoilage if you're sealing more than a dozen. It's a good idea to freeze them individually for about an hour on a baking sheet. Beforehand, this prevents them from getting squished when you vacuum seal. Now, let's get sealing. Open up your Foodsaver bag and gently place in your muffins. Don't overstuff the bag. You want to give them a little breathing room. Aim for no more than 2 layers of muffins per bag, and space them out so they don't touch each other too much. This will help prevent them from sticking together once frozen. Next, lay the open end of the bag flat across the sealing strip of your Foodsaver machine. Ensure the bag is positioned correctly within the channels, as indicated by your machine's manual. For a proper seal, close the lid firmly until it latches. Press the vacuum and seal button. Your Foodsaver will now remove the air from the bag, and then create a strong, airtight seal. Once the cycle is complete and the light indicates it's done, carefully open the lid. And there you have it, a Circumflex Euros, a perfectly vacuum-sealed bag of Costco muffins. This airtight seal is your secret weapon against freezer burn and staleness. This method is fantastic for preserving those delicious muffins you bought in bulk, ensuring you can enjoy them for up to 3 weeks in the refrigerator or 12 years in the freezer. Happy snacking!